Good morning, Green Acres! Today is Thursday. It is September 24th and a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Hey, let's make sure we're continuing to show up on time, ready to go for class. Today is going to be a little bit different, I imagine, with people needing to sign into Zoom for that first time again. We are looking for more boys to take part in the Seussical musical. Please see Ms. Link for more information. There's a great part, and it's especially looking for some more guys coming up very soon. Again, talk to Ms. Link to get more information. If you haven't seen it already, we do have the GAMS student survey. You can locate it in the Green Acres Counseling Center. Make sure that you check on resources, and then you've got the GAMS Counseling Student Survey. You're contacting Ms. B when you are getting this information in. She's a great resource and a great support for many of our students. And our thought for this week, once again, when we're thinking about being respectful, is it costs $0 to treat someone with respect. So let's make sure we are doing that each and every day. With that in mind, we are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.